How to add moving background to Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to site design, and then you're gonna have to simply click on page background. Then you're gonna have to simply upload, or you can simply choose any images from the Wix free stock marketplace here. And as you can see, you can upload colors, you can upload images, videos, and then what you can do, you can simply go to adjust here, and then you can simply make some changes. So you can resize this, you can add filters, you can change the background if you want. And if you want to add a moving background, what you're gonna have to do is simply select this one here, and basically when you scroll, you're gonna have this moving effect. But I recommend you to upload videos if you want, because the effect it's it's better. And basically that's it. So now whenever we scroll, we should have this parallel effect, but you're gonna have to make sure to save first of all. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.